Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate love theme on Facebook Messenger. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook Messenger, and then you simply need to open any conversation and click on this icon on the top right. Here you need to click on theme, and you simply need to scroll down until you find an option of love theme. Click on that option, and here you can see love theme. You simply need to preview this, and then you need to click on select. So here you can see that now love theme is activated for this conversation. So this is a process by which you can activate love theme on Facebook Messenger. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.